What is up, my guy? So a few people have been asking me for a tutorial on how to do the magic circles that I usually do. I posted it onto a Reddit, and a few people were like, "Oh my god, how do you do that?" So, right now we're gonna be doing the magical wind that you are producing from the aura you are spewing. Don't know what it's called, but it's just the wind waves. This one's gonna be like the easiest one for the whole tutorial. Not much to do, so let's just first you have to put in a sphere, then tab, subdivide, and then bam again. After that, blah 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 blah. After that, you go over to this little triangle, you click vertex group, and then you click here. I like just showing the faces instead of the polys, and assign. If you just want this effect on a certain amount, like only a few polys, you can select them and assign them to a vertex or create a new vertex for it. But for this, we're just going to be using the entire thing. Over here, modifier, modify, vertex weight edit. Oh, add the vertex. You can name it something, but I'm lazy, so I don't like it. Custom curve, flip it. Close this, interface, new texture, this little texture panel. You can add your own picture if you know how to do if you have a custom little texture you want to use, but I usually use Musgrave. It makes it look the best, I think. And then we can close this a bit, and then over here we go to simple deform. Wait, yes, no, smooth, yes. And then over here we do mask as well. Let's just flip this so it's the mask on top and then smooth on the bottom. And then we put the vertex groups where the vertex groups go. You can smooth it, but I don't like doing that. Click out of edit mode, threshold, and as you can see, it starts getting rid of the polygons. That's why we had to amp up them. And once you do the smooth, it smooths it out like this. I like just that should be fine. Ooh, oh, that should be fine. You're not gonna see these little black little lines or anything once the whole entire thing's gone. It's just gonna be showing this part. Then we can go over here into our little bottom panel, turn it into a shader editor. Over here, new. We can get rid of the principal BSDF and just put in emission. I am obsessed with emission. I am married to emission. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't need to be talking about that. Over here, Shift D, scale in a bit, rotate on the Z. Go over here to shader panel, add a new shader, new, and then over new, tab, assign, tab, top one, that's for the first layer, get rid of that, and then we go over here, shader panel, get rid of BSDF, new emission, black. Shift D, scale in, rotate on the Z, new shader, and then just copy what you just did with the emission, red. Oh, sorry, assign, shader, and then get rid of the top one. I just like it. I think it looks sick when it has black, white, and red. And you can see what it looks like better if I put this little ball here. See? So you can go over here to one of the inner little spheres that we've made, and you can change the threshold so it looks a bit different, so it's not like copy paste. You can go like this, make it a little less for the red, and then delete that. Click on all layers, go over here, change it to timeline, I, location, rotation, scale, and then over here, rotate Z for 9 zillion, and then I, location, rotation, and scale, and then look at that. Looks sick, looks sick. And then we can go over here, plane, go down to where the bottom of the sphere is, or you can always just make it so this is just the ore itself, but I like just having it the middle part. And then right here, the bottom, bam. And then we scale it up. We can just go to shader, new. Let's just make it black. And then over here, oh god, let's go to Z, move this towards the center, go on to the x-axis, and move it down into the center, right there. And it's gonna just give it a little bit more light than it was producing. We can always just go over here. Where is it? In the camera options, camera properties, sorry, go to bloom, and then go over to the shaders, shader panel, make it a little bit, the more strength you add, the more it's gonna bloom. See? And it just like looks just that little bit cooler. There you go. So that's the middle part that we're gonna be doing. We can always just view, camera to view. So this is the first part of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was easy. If you don't think it was easy, please comment what you think I should be doing better. Yes. And then stay tuned for part 2 of the tutorial.